Hi, this is Mark from iMotobank dealership. Thanks for joining us today. I'm here to show you our 2006 Honda Civic. This is a rare vehicle. This vehicle only has 64,000 miles on it. 64,000 miles on it. As you see, this vehicle is in very good shape. The car doesn't have any wear or tear on the inside, and has brand new tires and brand new brakes on it. It also includes all the winter mats as well as the spring mats in it. This is the two-door Coupe LX. It also features a lot of options such as power windows, auxiliary, and a lot more. Let me show you the tires. Brand new, deep tread, all around, no issues whatsoever. This vehicle features 2 keys. Let me show you the inside of it. As you see, very clean, and it will make one happy customer. It seats 5 passengers. And now let's take it on a test drive. As you see, 64,000 miles. Seat belt first. As you see, radio works. AC blows cold, no problem. No annoying lights or any problems, and everything works on it. It features an automatic transmission. Now let's take it on a test drive. As you see, very smooth shifting, no problem. I'm gonna accelerate to give you an idea about the speed on it. As you see, approaching 55 miles per hour. Brakes, no problems, brand new brakes. If you're interested, please give us a call at 617-538-2099. 617-538-2099.